Good afternoon, my nefarious brothers and sisters, fellow beer drinkers, or not. I'm reviewing today a special beer, another saintly beer. I'm on a little bit of a theme here, you know? So, remember, Blue Collar Beer Review. One beer, one tank. I got a little boo-boo here. So, don't let that throw you off. It's not going to throw me off. What I got today is a St. Arnold Brewery fancy lawnmower. Oh, that's right. It's a fancy lawnmower. It's a refreshing outdoor beer. It's called a Kolsch style beer. I think that's right. We're in a German territory now, so bear with me. This Kolsch style beer has an original gravity of 11 to 14 degrees Plato, something like that. I don't know. It's all Greek to me. Actually, it's German, so never mind. This is alcohol by volume, 4.9, and this is 1 pint, aka 3.2 fluid ounces of delicious beer. It's supposed to be clear and refreshing and, you know, I don't know. But I've never had it. I mean, it's made right here in H-Town, and so I'm surprised, but I don't, maybe I had it when I was hammered. So let's see. Nothing really is going on at this point, but there's more shenanigans in store. You always know that, right? I'm going to try not to burp this beer up this time. I've got hope for this beer. Let's dump her in. Double dump. Dump her in. Dump her down. Fill it up. Uh-oh. Got a little excited there. Good smell. It's not very strong. It's kind of, it's got a yellowish type hue to it. It kind of looks like when you're a little dehydrated, if you know what I'm talking about. But let's hope it doesn't taste like that. So, Gesundheit, I guess, but it's made in America, so cheers. I'll know that. Not much lace, not much bubble. Not a ton of flavor. It's pretty smooth though. I mean, it tastes good. It's got a little bit of a finish to it, but kind of tastes like your typical, like, I'd say non-American, you know, non-light American beer. So, but with a little bit of something after it, a little, it's got a little sour to it maybe. It's really easy. It's really good. It's really nice. I like it. I like it a lot. It is most definitely Jimbo approved, especially since it's fancy. Anytime you can have fancy beer, I mean, you can say, I'm drinking fancy beer. Piss off, right? If anyone tries to judge you. And it's refreshing outdoor beer. Refreshing, fancy outdoor beer Lawnmower. It's Jimbo approved. Leave a comment, like me, tell a friend, subscribe. Peace out!